Crucial Study Skills for University Students, a comprehensive tutorial. University education is a significant step up from high school, requiring a higher level of independence, time management, and critical thinking skills. Developing effective study habits is essential for success in your academic journey.
This tutorial will explore crucial study skills that can help you excel in your university studies.
First, time management. Effective time management is vital for university students. Here are some strategies to help you manage your time wisely. Create a schedule, allocate specific time slots for classes, study, extracurricular activities, and self-care. Break tasks into smaller chunks. Large tasks can be overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Prioritize tasks. Not all tasks are equally important. Prioritize them based on their urgency and importance.
Use productivity tools. Apps like Google Calendar, To-Do List, or My Study Life can help you stay organized.
Second, active learning.
Active learning involves engaging with the material, asking questions, and seeking clarification. Here are some ways to practice active learning.
Take notes. Handwritten notes are more effective than typing them. Summarize the main ideas and use diagrams or mind maps. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions in class or during office hours. Participate in discussions, join study groups, or participate in class discussions.
Teach others. Explaining concepts to others is a great way to reinforce your understanding.
Third, critical thinking involves analyzing, evaluating, and creating new knowledge.
Here are some ways to improve your critical thinking skills.
Analyze arguments, identify the argument's premises and conclusions. Evaluate the evidence and assumptions. Synthesize information, combine information from different sources to create new insights. Evaluate sources, assess the credibility and bias of sources.
Practice problem solving. Use case studies, simulations, or real-world problems to practice problem solving.
Fourth, reading strategies.
Effective reading strategies can help you retain information and reduce study time.
Here are some strategies to consider. Preview. Skim the headings, subheadings, and introductory paragraphs to get an overview of the material. Highlight or underline key points while reading. Summarize the main ideas in your own words.
Ask questions about the material to deepen your understanding.
Fifth, test-taking strategies.
Effective test-taking strategies can help you perform better on exams. Here are some strategies to consider.
Take practice exams to familiarize yourself with the format and content. Pace yourself, allocate your time wisely during the exam. Eliminate wrong answers. If you're unsure of the answer, eliminate the obviously wrong answers.
Review your answers before submitting the exam.
Sixth, self-care. Self-care is essential for maintaining your mental and physical health. Here are some self-care strategies. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day. Eat healthily. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Developing effective study skills can help you succeed in your university studies. By practicing time management, active learning, critical thinking, reading strategies, test-taking strategies, and self-care, you can improve your academic performance and reduce stress. Remember, it takes time and practice to develop these skills, so be patient and persistent.
Good luck!